else for today's video, so I will wash my clothes. And if you're wondering why I'm not using this washing machine, because Filipina is don't trust washing machine because after you wash it, it's still dirty. So I'm only washing it with my hand, and after that we will use this for rinse and spin. If you're wondering why I'm not using brush or anything, I only use my hand because my clothes is not really dirty at all. Let's start. Silent video only. No topic or anything. You only just watch me that I'm washing my clothes. I don't know, but I don't really trust washing machine for washing my clothes. I don't. Even that my clothes is not also really dirty, but I have a trust issue. I have a trust issue with washing machine. So you can't blame me for that. Summer, what are you waiting there? Trust issue with washing machine. Washing machine is good, but not for me. I choose to wash my clothes using my hand rather than washing my clothes with this washing machine. That's it. You can't blame me for that, details. It's just happened that I love making bubbles in my hand. And you know, I'm the one who wear the clothes. So I'm the one who knows where is the stain like that. So I'm able to clean it. And washing machine is not really. Last time during the first met of my husband in Cebu, so we make laundry in the laundry shop, of course, because we were not able to wash there in the hotel. After that, when I get the clothes, oh my god, especially the white, all is the dirty, it's not gone. It's only smell good with the fabric, but with the dirty, oh, not really gone. It's still there. That's why after that, I really have a problem or a trust issue about it. And that's why it's not only that time also. From the very first time, all I know is that washing machine is not really able to get all the stain. So I prefer to wash it with my hand. Sometimes it's good, you know. still use this for rinse and steam so that it will faster dry. So I guess that's all for now, and then I hope you enjoy washing. I hope you enjoy watching while I'm enjoying washing my clothes here. Have a great day, Tinkles. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our new channel. Oh, bye for now. See you again in our next video. Enjoy. Bye, Tinkles.